In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repeat the same footnote multiple times in Microsoft Word. Footnotes are a great way to provide additional information, citations, or references in your documents, but sometimes you may need to use the same footnote in multiple places. Instead of rewriting or creating duplicate footnotes, Microsoft Word provides a simple way to reuse the same footnote efficiently. Start by inserting your first footnote normally. Place your cursor at the point in your text where you want the footnote to appear. Go to the References tab on the ribbon and click Insert Footnote. Word will automatically number it and place the corresponding note at the bottom of the page. Type your footnote text as usual. Once your footnote is created, you can refer to it again elsewhere in your document without creating a new note. Move your cursor to the new location where you want to repeat the footnote. Go back to the References tab and select Cross-Reference. In the dialog box, set the reference type to Footnote. You will see a list of all footnotes in your document. Choose the footnote you want to repeat. Make sure to select the option Insert as Hyperlink if you want readers to jump directly to the original footnote. Click Insert, then Close. The number that appears in the new location will match the original footnote number and automatically link to the same footnote text at the bottom of the page. This method ensures that your document remains organized, avoids duplicate notes, and keeps numbering consistent even if you later add or remove other footnotes. If you're editing a large document, using cross-references for repeated footnotes is especially helpful. You can update all footnote numbers automatically by selecting the entire document with Ctrl-A on Windows or Command-A on Mac and pressing F9 to refresh the references. This way, all repeated footnotes will remain accurate throughout your document. By following these steps, you can easily reuse footnotes multiple times, saving time and maintaining a professional, clean layout. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.